A lot of people want to start making money online with newsletters, but they don't know where to begin, what tools to use, or how people are actually getting paid just by sending emails. If you've ever thought about building a newsletter but felt confused or overwhelmed, this video will walk you through everything step by step. So before we even talk about Beehiiv, let's quickly understand the big picture. A newsletter is simply a way to build an audience that you own. Instead of relying on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, you collect emails and communicate directly with your audience. Here's why that matters. You're not controlled by algorithms. You can build a loyal audience, and most importantly, you can monetize it. People make money with newsletters through sponsorships, paid subscriptions, affiliate marketing, selling products or services. Now, this is where Beehiiv comes in.
Beehiiv is an all-in-one platform that lets you create newsletters, grow your audience, send emails, and monetize all in one place. It's designed specifically for creators and beginners, which makes it much easier compared to older tools. Now, if you want to follow along step by step, the first thing you need to do is create your Beehiiv account. I've left the link in the pinned comment so you can go directly to the sign-up page and get started. Alright, once you've created your account, here's exactly what to do next. Step 1. Set up your newsletter. When you log in, Beehiiv will ask you for your newsletter name, your email address, your niche or topic. Choose a niche that people are interested in. For example, business, crypto, fitness, AI. Finance. Keep it simple and focused. Step 2. Customize your newsletter. Next, you'll customize how your newsletter looks. You can add your logo, choose colors, edit your layout, make it clean and simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 3. Create your first post. Now go to the right section. This is where you create your emails or posts. Start with something valuable like tips guides, news updates, or curated content. Keep your writing simple, clear, and easy to read. Step 4. Set up your landing page. Beehiiv automatically gives you a landing page where people can subscribe. You can edit the headline, add a description, show people what they'll get daily AI tools to make money online. The clearer your offer, the faster you'll grow. Step 5. Grow your audience. Now this is the most important part, getting subscribers. Here are a few ways to grow. Post content on TikTok or YouTube, share value on Twitter, X, use Instagram Reels, offer something free, like a guide or tips. Consistency is key here. Once you start getting subscribers, you can monetize. Beehiiv has built-in monetization features like paid subscriptions, ad network. They bring sponsors to you. You can also promote affiliate products, sell your own digital products. The more engaged your audience is, the more money you can make. So, to recap, build a simple newsletter, focus on a clear niche, provide value consistently, and grow your audience daily. That's the foundation. If you stay consistent, this can turn into a real income stream. Don't forget, if you haven't created your account yet, check the pinned comment and get started today. And if you want more videos on making money online and growing newsletters, make sure to subscribe.